Today's sourdough Sunday. Today I'm making sourdough discard Parmesan crackers. First I'm going to add 1.5 cups of sourdough discard into a bowl. Next add 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Next mix that up until it's combined. Next have a large baking sheet that's lined and add the sourdough mixture and spread it out as thin as possible. Then I have some finely shredded Parmesan cheese. I'm going to sprinkle that on top and then bake this at 350 for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, I took the crackers out of the oven and now I'm going to use a pizza cutter to cut the crackers, and then I'm going to put this back in the oven at 350 for another 15 to 20 minutes. Now the crackers are done baking and cooled, I'm going to break up the crackers. Here's an up-close look of the sourdough discard Parmesan crackers.